Shrimp are testing positive for cocaine and scientists don't know why. When you want to have a meal of the healthiest seafood, you don't really think of the potential dangers that the food brings along. But, according to the scientists, the presence of poisons and pollutants in sea life might be surprising for everyone. There is a study from the UK which has discovered that shrimps tested positive for cocaine, among various chemicals, including some banned pesticides as well. UK shrimp cocaine study researchers have collected shrimps from 15 different sites in July 2018 spanning 5 river catchments in the UK. The non-metropolitan areas that were studied were Waveney, Stour, Deben, Ald, and Gipping. All of these sites are located somewhere on the east coast. Every sample contained anesthetic, lidocaine and cocaine as well. Lidocaine is a very commonly used additive by many cocaine dealers. Even though it is unknown how these substances have came in contact with the shrimps, it is more than likely it entered through the sewer overflows or it leaked into the waters. Shrimp cocaine and banned pesticides. Some other very disturbing pollutants included banned pesticides, antidepressants, opioid medication and animal tranquilizer. As per the co-author of the study, Dr. Leon Barron, which is a senior lecturer in forensic science at the King's College London, the discovery was very surprising. Cocaine found in shrimp in rural areas may be considerably. All the more astounding is the way that the shrimp were from rustic territories, not a urban focus, for example, London. The group is tested by their discoveries and uncertain what the source may be for the pollutants. In spite of the fact that focuses were low, we had the option to distinguish exacerbates that may be of worry to the earth and significantly, which may represent a risk to wildlife. As a feature of our progressing work, we found that the much of the time recognized mixes were unlawful medications, including cocaine and ketamine and a restricted pesticide, phenuron. In spite of the fact that for a considerable lot of these, the potential for any impact is probably going to be low. Cocaine is an invisible pollution, regardless of whether the nearness of cocaine in amphibian creatures is an issue for Suffolk, or increasingly across the board an event in the UK and abroad, anticipates further research, noticed another group co-creator Nick Berry, a teacher from the University of Suffolk. Environmental health has pulled in a lot of consideration from the general population because of difficulties related with environmental change and microplastic pollution. Nonetheless, the effect of undetectable concoction pollution, for example, drugs, on wildlife health needs more concentration in the UK as arrangement can regularly be educated by concentrates, for example, these. Seattle shellfish opioids. Despite the fact that you may believe there's no compelling reason to stress across the pond, reconsider. Researchers found the narcotic oxycodone in mussels tried off the Bank of Washington in a different report led by the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife. The oxycodone that has appeared in the mussels which were tested from the Bremerton and Seattle Harbor areas. They have also found traces of melphalan, which is a drug that is commonly used during chemotherapy. As a result, scientists from the Puget Sound Institute said, "We might want to look at the biological impacts." That is why, a team of researchers believe it is very likely that drug residues have passed from wastewater in treatment plants. Thank you for watching the video. If you like such informative video about health and nature remedies, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.